Hello everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Gonna do a quick video going over the top plays for tomorrow, August 17th. First off, I just want to talk about something real quick. This is an app my buddy is working on, and it is something that's very cool. I am gonna be helping out as one of the creators on this for the penny stock section. But what this is gonna be is pretty much an app where you can learn various types of topics, and it's all gonna be bite-sized. So really, the angle is not having a very long, um, tedious course or anything. Something more bite-sized, gets right to the point, and it's gonna be very cool. It's gonna have some stories, and it's gonna be kind of like some of these other social media apps in a way. But sign up. It's very cool. I'm gonna be helping out with the penny stock course on there, but there's gonna be other really cool topics going over. You got investing, digital work, and other startups and whatnot. So if you're interested in learning besides stocks and just dabbling in other stuff, get on the wait list here. It's very cool. It's in the works right now. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about that real quick. But now let's get into the watch list. So not that much that I'm really looking at here. DMS, APRN, ARTL are the top plays. We got a couple other ones. Yesterday's watch list was not that great. I'm pretty sure BCAB was the only one that worked out today, and I didn't even play it. SDC took a loss on it. AEY, no volume. Just go over that real quick. So was getting to the prices we wanted, but no volume to accompany that. So staying away. It's a very suspicious move, and until the volume comes back, gonna stay away. But nothing really worked out besides BCAB, BCAB. Here we are. Totally missed this. That's kind of annoying now that I'm really looking at it. Great call on here. 914 breakout. Volume came back. Nothing crazy, but it was enough to squeeze some shorts out, is what it looks like. So we'll see how much higher this goes. Maybe something takes off. We could play a multi-day bounce later, but it's a missed play right now. But just something to go over. Let's just now get into the watch list. We got DMS. This one did nothing today. Fading, low volume, just waiting for that bounce. And if it doesn't happen, won't be shocked. But looking for the failure to break down. Now we're getting close to $1.50, whole dollar, half-dollar level. Could be something where it could bottom out and start reversing. There were a couple other plays that didn't really have a lot of high selling going on the backside that still offered a decent bounce. They were a little choppy, nothing like MEGL from yesterday. Lesson on that one. When it's got range, it could really take off. Gapped up. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. I was getting it down here, took this little piece, and it just continued. So this had a lot stronger of a move than something, let's say, iLag, which did have a move, but as you can see, it's a lot choppier. Yeah, and this is what I'm talking about. No volume really on the backside. But back to DMS. So it could be something like iLag where it could bounce. Just keep an eye on that multi-day bounce that we talk about. If it exhausts itself pre-market, better play it safe and just ignore it. They could keep going, but err on the side of caution, as when they just get exhausted, that's the move, that's the fuel to the play. And just looking for that high day break, whatever it sets, wait for a few minutes to go by, and then it comes back to that high day break. Maybe it isn't a few minutes, maybe it's hours, but once it comes back to break that high, that will be the momentum shift, likely. It's a good point of entry. So before I talk about this forever, DMS, multi-day bounce. Next up, APRN. This one had a nice push here after hours. Low float. What do we got? Already a decent push. Still thought though, if we can keep holding 5 as it did, I think we can possibly squeeze back to the mid sixes, high a day from today. And if it's a low float, demand keeps coming in, trend holds up, could be a squeezer and makes it even more hopeful seeing something like this. So let's see if it holds up. Ideally 6, maybe. We'll see. Whichever way it sets up, looking for that hold of 6.5 to at least test 7 and then break from 7. Next level, really not till 8. So that'll be a key area. 7 is going to be definitely a key area. We'll see how it acts there. Maybe something to wait. Maybe it's a range that it works with. I don't know. I'm just thinking of ways it could work out. But let's just be more reactionary. We know what to look for. High volume on the buying side, not much selling on the pullbacks, holding trend, holding VWAP. Just the typical bullish indicators we talk about. So APRN, previous high day over 6.5. Looking for a test of at least 7, ideally 8. Lastly here, ARTL, my trade of today, one of them. A lot of resistance here at 7. Never really broke down though. We got a fake out and it ended up going sideways. I was honestly kind of confused. I thought this thing was just going to get destroyed after a fake out at 7. Heavy selling comes in. Honestly, not even that heavy now I'm really looking at it. It's not bad, just aggressive pullback, more on the price side. But holding these key areas, 5, 6, it's got this whole zone. Let me pull up the rectangle here. This whole zone right here, pretty key area. So maybe something that comes back, confirms 7 as support now, and shorts could most definitely get squeezed. If not, that will bring more attention to the buyers if there are enough buyers. That's why we're going to keep an eye on demand. But from there, let's see. Got a key level at 8. Close here. That could be. It's the last time it had some volume. So I'm thinking mid 8s. Did I even write down what I think? Test of high 8s. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. I'm looking off of that close on the, or excuse me, the open on this day. Okay, beautiful. So ARTL, APRN, DMS, top plays. I already got this posted on Twitter. I'm gonna go through the rest. Excuse the weird video lesson. I feel like I'm mentally out of it right now. It's so late. I can't even formulate a sentence coherently. So yeah, let's just wrap this up. I need some rest. We'll catch you guys later. Once again, check out theambitiousapp.com. Sign up here and dive into other things. There's a lot of cool things in the works, and hopefully soon it should be released. Not exactly sure when the release date is, but sign up and find out. So we'll catch you guys later.